This is HPEDM 3R pallet, 54 mm. This pallet was produced by CNC machine first, and this by wire cutting machine, and then by grading machine, grading high precision up to 2 micron. So this one, what's difference? This one was by casting machine first. Look for the difference. This is by CNC machining. This is by casting machine. Both are produced by grading machine up to high accuracy. So this one, the precision is more steady, and the life of usage is longer. The function is the same, like this. The material is stainless steel and can be used on HPEDM machine. Function is the same, fixed on short or long drawbar on it, and then put it on 3R mini truck. Then it will be okay. Yeah, use the 3R truck. It is the same way. Put on it. Yeah, and then use wrench to fix on it. Yeah, then it will be okay. Thank you.